how we doing? We are back with another trade recap. Today was not too hot at all. We lost a grand total of $411. A little bit more risk than I should have put on, but I still live to trade another day. I'm still good. Okay, going into the morning and my bias, I was originally bullish. I wanted to see this area continue to be respected, and that was the main problem with these shorts today, is that we never came below there. I even drew out in my nightly outlook. Let me see if it loads. Why is this taking forever? I'll pull it up when it loads. Oh, here we go. There you go, my outlook. Oh shit, I drew it out in Q. Oh, I guess I did. Okay, so I did follow my outlook basically. Okay, yeah. So going into the morning, I was bullish. Why? Because we had inverse this 15-minute as well as still having this 5-minute fair value gap below. So in the morning, we came down. Wait, actually, we respected this shit, no? We respected it on ES at least. We respected on ES, but came above it on NQ. As well as in the morning, we inversed these 5-minute fair value gaps. So from here, in my eyes, there was no reason for us to come down here just because we already made that SMT like 2 times. So when we started to come down here, I was like, there's no reason we should have respected this 5-minute fair value gap. So what I wanted to see was a pullback up into that area to then continue lower into these sell sides. We get just that, get that tap into the fair value gap, and then I enter once I see a rejection out of that. Not the worst trade at all. I'm not too mad about it. I should have gotten off as soon as I got stopped out, because we came again above on ES. That confused me a little bit. I said price, if it's actually bearish, like we shouldn't be making new highs. From here I see we respect this inverse 5-minute and begin to shut down. We inverse 2 for value gaps. From there I was like, okay, there's no way we're not going lower. I enter again short, tap into the weekly open, have immediate rejection out, and I get stopped out again. Both of these losses honestly could have been avoided. Like, I could have easily gone break even on both of these, because let's see, when I enter on here, it would have been tougher on that one. This one I should have gone break even, most definitely. But yeah, it's cool. A loss was inevitable. We have been on a bit of a winning streak, so I knew a loss was bound to pop up somewhere. I remember going into the morning, I did not want to see this bearish PA. Like, I was literally in bed when I woke up an hour before market open. I was just looking at it, I was just like, should I really be trading this? This is not the ideal. This is ideally not what I wanted to see coming out of the morning. and I took that gamble, and yeah. So a lesson from today is simply just taking the days that I could clearly predict. This is what I wanted to see happen. Let's see into the morning. Morning. Where are we? No. Here we go. Ideally, we don't get that. We come up overnight into the fair value gap above, then we manipulate in the morning some internal shit, and then long there from previous week's highs to previous week's highs. So yeah, what I wanted to see play out in the morning was us come up here and then have a pullback down into here to then long again. And when I came in here in the morning, none of that was happening. So I should have just avoided today. And now the shorts are playing out, of course. Yeah, super, like, you had to get some sharp entries today if you want to stand a chance. I saw this market open trade. It was definitely possible. We had the SMT. We hadn't tapped into these 5-minute fair value gaps. It was definitely possible, but I told myself I was avoiding market open trades today. So yeah, man. I wouldn't be surprised to see us take out these lows now. Maybe today, maybe tomorrow. I feel like this could be the start of a huge shit. I'm not gonna lie. Maybe that's why there's so much fucking consolidation. Yeah. But now we're like SMT'd here, like NQ is running lower. Now ES is running lower. Such a weird day. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the trade recap. Yeah, deuces.
See, the songs though is what I do. Is write the songs and sing them.
Therefore, it's all pure feeling. What we're playing is complete honesty.
It's hard to say that if you can trace the origin of your fear, it will disappear.
My thoughts, dreams, plots, and my schemes. That's what's on my mind when I toss in my sleep. My heart like my pen when I jot and it bleed. My cart full of sin when I shop it's a spree. I got some new leaves, I'm like, what's the word with you, sir? You just moss on a tree. I'm not concerned with you. I lead a curb when I'm crossing the street. I'm watching out for the mark of the beast, the badge on the policeman, black carpenter pants, a half ounce in them, another half ounce in my fleece. And on account of this, go ahead and count me out of this. I'm out with the breeze. I'm dodging county, it's 1,000 degrees. It's back alley shit, my nigga. Look, my eyes wide open, I'm sleepy, I'm on the highway. Paul Giamatti, a nigga was sitting sideways, a bubble in a scully when traveling through the tri-state. And trouble play the gun here, clapping and make my mind race back and forth. I place forth, keep your torch, got your morsels on my plate. Motherfucker, I wasn't born, mama snatched me off the motherfucking stork on a Friday. Say that shit to my face.
If you listen, sometimes you can get a whole conversation through with maybe about 2 bars of a song. Sometimes.
For me, knowledge is everything. If I learn something, that makes me
Still learning.
yeah.
Alrighty, hope you guys enjoyed that trade recap. Yeah, nothing too special. I would expect us to continue to shit going into tomorrow. We would like to see this this area would be inverse fully. A nice closure below the weekly open on NQ would be nice. Alrighty then. This is